Hey guys, welcome to BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll talk about the Post Calendar widget by Ultimate Post Kit plugin. Post Calendar is a unique plugin that displays post date-wise along with an active calendar. Let's see how this widget works. This is the first look of the widget. The highlighted dates are the ones that has posts published. Once clicked, the post on the date will appear in the box on your left side of the calendar. The layout section has a switcher and a gap scroll bar. When you turn off the post list switcher, the post box on the left will disappear and only the calendar will remain visible. Let's see in preview. After reverting the changes, let's adjust the gap and see the changes now. Moving on to the Style tab, there's a border by default on the calendar as you can see on the display. Let's change the border color. You can adjust the calendar height by the scroll bar named Day Height. The section named Calendar Days has color options for the dates. Let's pick a hover background color for instance. Once done, the color will be visible once you hover over the day section of the calendar. Let's change the font color to white. Now click on the Post subsection to customize the color of the days that has posts published. Let's pick a matching background color. The last subsection named Today means the current date, and here you can change its color for the current date showing on the display. Now for the post list box on your left, let's pick a gradient color for it. I assume you already know how to use gradient and the angles, right? For heading, pick the white color. Also pick white for the no post title and the title subsections too. There's a divider below the post title which also has color settings. Once done, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.